Tired of stubborn stains ruining your outdoor spaces? Meet the VEVOR electric pressure washer, your cleaning game changer. Imagine restoring your patio, car, or driveway in minutes. Powerful 2000 PSI blasts away dirt, oil, and old paint easily. A robust 1500-watt motor delivers up to 1.65 GPM water flow. Perfect for homes, RVs, fences, decks, and light lawn equipment. Tackle large areas with the extra-long 30-foot hose. No more messy leaks. Durable metal water inlets prevent spills. Integrated hose reel keeps storage organized and kink-free. Switch between 5 quick connect nozzles for any cleaning task. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and turbo. Just snap and spray. Add the foam cannon for deep sudsy cleaning on cars and patios. ETL certified for safety and consistent high-quality performance. Automatic shutoff at 105 degrees C protects you and the machine. Total stop system saves energy. Pump only runs when you spray. Press-type security lock prevents accidental spray gun activation. Ergonomic handle and 2 universal wheels for easy transport. Compact PP plastic body, lightweight yet durable for daily use. Single-person assembly, get started in just a few minutes. Long 35-foot power cord with GFCI for safe, flexible reach. IPX5 waterproof rating, ready for any outdoor environment. Metal interfaces ensure leak-free operation every time. Water inlet filter keeps nozzles spraying smoothly. No clogs. No frequent nozzle changes, save time and money. Turbo nozzle for tough grime. Wide nozzles for gentle rinsing. Foam bottle holds 500 ml detergent for professional results. Clean cars, patios, fences, driveways, and outdoor furniture. Ideal for both home and commercial cleaning needs. Low noise operation, powerful yet quiet for neighborhoods. Overheat protection. Safe for extended cleaning sessions. Organized hose storage prevents snags and prolongs hose life. Ergonomic spray gun with non-slip handle for comfort. Quick connect system makes switching nozzles effortless. Dense foam application lifts dirt for a spotless finish. Flexible wheels glide smoothly over any terrain. Professional grade performance. Trusted by cleaning experts. Upgrade your cleaning routine with VEVOR's advanced features. Save time, effort, and water with every use. Transform dirty surfaces into spotless, like-new areas. Ready to experience powerful, hassle-free cleaning? Choose VEVOR electric pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder. Order now and make every cleaning job a breeze.